boobs. It's like 2 grocery bags full of soup.
That's really mean. Excuse me? You don't know her. You don't know what her life is like.
So why do you care?
Because she's my mom.
I don't get to finish?
We've got a lot of people to see.
But I've been practicing.
We've seen enough. Thank you.
That's rude and unacceptable.
I'll handle this. Jake, come on, man. Why don't you pick up the music stand?
My whole life, it's been, Ryder just needs to apply himself. Ryder's smart. He just needs to work harder, focus, get it together, man up. But inside, man, I knew they were all wrong. It didn't matter how hard I focused or how hard I worked. I was stupid. And if anyone ever found that out, if they knew the real me.
Patty Simcox? Patty Simcox? Who the hell is Patty Simcox? I don't understand. I prayed really hard about this.
Maybe God didn't hear you because he was busy helping people with cancer.
Shut it, Avatar.